Greetings, Leoneers! Welcome to Dev Diary in sprint 137. In this sprint we give you the first version of our new country database. Once this model will reach its full potential, it will be a go-to place for defining required flight permissions for your aircraft and many more. Leon is expanding its capabilities to handle flights on unmanned aerial vehicles. We've added a new position type called UAV that you can configure on your fleet. We are still expanding the capabilities of our Crew Qualifications view. Our goal is to allow you to easily see those, and only those records, that you are interested in. For example, in this sprint, we've added the possibility to hide all qualifications that are configured to be never expires. And that's it. As always, to keep up with our updates, please check our release notes.